Time to fly. Okay, we got a very, very exciting package today. For some reason, I have my doubt that this isn't it because it was so rare. It's the FMF 4.1 RCT full titanium anodized exhaust. So, literally like Christmas morning for me. I'm so excited. Me and exhaust go like this, hand in hand. So, let's open this sucker up. Oh my God, boys, get a look at this thing. Dude, I am so excited right now. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we have an exciting video today. Well, maybe not exciting for some people, but for me, it's very exciting. Because I bought something recently. As you see in the title, you already know what this is. We are out at my home track that me and my brother and a buddy have built. We got the bike right here. First, we have the stock exhaust on here. You already know what's coming. FMF, feel the power. That's what I'm gonna be feeling when I put this bad boy on the 250. But I haven't like officially, I guess, unboxed this. I did, and when it first came in, just take a sneak peek on it. You see that in the beginning of the video. But now I am gonna like officially see this, take it out of the plastic and see what it's like. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. I can't imagine there is. But I was also very surprised I was able to find one of these right now because they are very hard to come by. By the way, we did get the full FMF 4.1 titanium exhaust, not just the silencer, the full bad boy. We're not playing patty cakes around here. It is a little much on the wallet, but it'll be worth it. Dude, I'm so excited. Look at that! Look at it! Just look at it!
You just look at it? I mean, just look at it.
Yeah.
I mean, just get a look at that.
Look at it. FMF 4.1 factory. That means I'm a factory rider now, pretty much. Got the Yami. She's gonna be barking. Me and aftermarket exhaust go like peanut butter and jelly and like frat boys and their Nick sticks, their jewel pods. They just go perfect together. I love this thing. Alright, maybe some of you are wondering, like, Shane, why would you spend so much money on an exhaust when the stock exhaust on the Yamahas already sound pretty good? Well, after riding for a while, you can tell that they sound different. Like, it's pretty raspy, and I've listened to bikes with the FMF on it, and they sound way better. Looks a lot better for, like, aesthetics. But I would imagine most people buy these for the sound, if they're hoping it sounds like the Star Racing bikes, like Star Racing Yamaha. Let's be honest, guys. Come on. We all wish we had that bike, and we wish it sounded like that. It's not going to sound like this because this is a stock bike, and those are modded out. But it might be... Sell it! Get the fuck out of there! You want the 250? Enough jaw jacking. I'm going to get this unwrapped, get the stock exhaust off, put this sucker on, and then we're going to do the sound test and everything. Very, very excited for this.
2 hours later.
Alright, we just finished it up. It looks so good. Like, I'm so happy, so excited for this thing. It took a lot longer than we expected though. This took it took like 2.5 hours. Yeah, I'm not the best on wrenching with things mechanical wise, potato, but ain't too bad. It looks so sick. I have the spark arrestor in here, so I might end up taking that off. Now, first time hearing him, so we'll see. And then we're gonna go out to the track, put down some hot laps, rev bomber a little bit, of course. And we don't have much time. We got like 20 minutes left of daylight, so we'll try to squeeze in a little bit of riding. Alright, here we go. Dude, I'm so excited. I wonder if I should turn the choke on. No. Oh yeah. It sounds louder. I'm ready. Oh, I'm so excited. Dude, I love it. I'm such a little kid. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now with exhaust. But alright, we'll let it warm up and we'll see you out on the track. Alright, after just literally like 3 laps on the track, this thing is definitely more snappy and just has even more torque than, I'm out of breath. Like with the stock exhaust on it, it has a lot of torque still, like just as is, but this even adds more to it. It's just so snappy. Like second gear is unreal. Like off these big jumps out here, I'm hitting everything like second. Usually I have to click to third, but it is just snappy. I don't know, maybe it's a placebo effect, but it's nice. And it has a like new exhaust smell, dude. It's sweet.
It does smell nice. Well, that's what I was gonna ask you. When you came around that one, did you hit the small double over there in second gear and then land and shift up to third?
I hit it in first.
First?
Yeah, I hit the first double in first in the air, shifted to second, and then hit the big double in second.
It sounded nice too. When I heard you coming, it's like that. It's almost like that new car smell.
It is. It's that new car smell, new exhaust smell. I love it. Alright, that is a wrap on the video. Just a stock versus FMF comparison video. Overall, I'm very content with it. I like it. I like the purchase. It sounds better, more snappy, more torque, power, speed, and you can really rev it out more. Like in first and second gear, especially, it climbs before you have to shift. Like with the stock one, you can't do that. You have to shift quicker. I know Yamahas are known for that, so the pipe helps with that a lot. But it was like $1,100, so it's not easy on the pocket. So would I recommend go buying it? It's up to you. I don't know, your preference, what kind of riding you're doing. If you have the money to spend it, you got some money burning in your pocket, I would say go for it. That's the way I was. I was like, I'm gonna do it. I wanted it last year and I didn't because it was pretty expensive. But overall, I'm very happy with it. I got it. Very happy with it. The spark arrestor is in here, and I have to take that out because I think it's going to sound even more throaty with it out there. So, that's it. We will see you guys in the next one.